Hi, I am Deepak Jacob Thomas. In today's session, we will learn how to convert a text to numbers. You can have a data which is extracted when we run a report. Sometimes we need to convert it into from a text to number. There are six different methods which are being explained. Number one is using smart tag. The second is using a text to column. Third is using page special with multiplication factor. The fourth includes page special with addition factor. The fifth is using a value factor, and the final and sixth is replacing the commas embedded. Moving on to Excel spreadsheet, I will explain how it is done. In this Excel spreadsheet, I have a data entered. Here the first visualization, you can see that the column C I have given a sum of it. The column D also I have given a sum for the formulas, but it is not doing any sum in column D. Only the column C is taken. That is why, because the column D values, whatever numerical value if you have entered, is in a text format. We need to convert this text into a numerical format. Here any text will be in the left hand corner, as seen in column number B, and any numbers entered will be in the right hand corner. Here the column D, all values are in left hand corner. Also it is in text format, which is indicated by a light green arrow or on the hatching on the left top corner. Here I have put a condition, that is I will enter is text and select this cell and give enter and propagate it now. If the condition is true, it indicates that all the values in column D is in a text format. Now I will use a smart tag option to convert it. Here just drag on, select all the value which you need to convert. You can see an icon which is popped up. This is called as a smart tag. Click on this and we get a open window popped up and enter convert to number. What happens? All the values which is in text is converted to a number, and also the condition is given false for is text, that means all the text is converted to a number format. Next I will show you the second method of converting a text to column method. Here also I have given the condition of is text. It indicates that this column values is in a text format. To convert text to column, I'll just drag and select the data to be converted. Go for data and click on text to convert, text to column conversion. Ensure the delimited function is selected. We will go with the default selections which is embedded. Next, make the tab selection, check on, make it general to be clicked and give finish. Now what happened? We can see the condition of is text is converted to false. That means all the values which is entered here is converted to a number. And also we can see previously this cell was active, cell D11 was blank. Now it has taken the addition of it. Likewise, we'll go for a multiplication. I have given the condition to check whether it is in text or not with is text, and I given a sum value. Since it is in text, it is not calculating any of the value and it is in 0. I'll use a multiplication factor. Here what I will do is I will just type 1 and give Ctrl C. Now I will select all the cells and enter Ctrl plus Alt plus V, Ctrl Alt and V, and we get a page special window open. Click on multiply and give OK value. Here what happens, the condition is false, indicating that all the values which was in text is converted number. So based on conversion of number, it has taken the addition also for this. Next we go for an addition factor. This also is just similar to a multiplication factor. Only difference is that I will not type any value. I'll just click on any of the empty cells, make sure it is in general category, and just see Ctrl C, select the text and enter Ctrl plus Alt plus V. We get a page special window open. Now here instead of multiply you have to give add. Click on add and give OK. Now we can see the each text is changed to false, indicating that all the values in this text is converted to a number, hence addition is feasible. The next factor is value factor of converting a text to number. Here I will check the condition for is the data is in text or not, equals is text. Click on the cell, give enter and propagate it down. Now I will use a value factor to convert this values which is in the text to numbers. Just equals value, VALUE, it open bracket, select the text which you want to convert and close the bracket and give enter. Now just propagate it down. We'll see whether it is converted or text or not by is text. Select this and propagate down. We get all the conditions as false, indicating that the values is being converted to a number. Finally, we'll go with the last method of converting a text to column. Here this values which I've entered here is being inputted with few commas. The condition for checking text is also true, indicating that all the values in this column D is in a text format. This happens when copied to the cells, maybe when you're working on a mail or in a Word. Those comma value will be added here and it will be in a text format. To change this to a number format, select the cells, go for Ctrl and F. We get find replace window open. Click the find what, a comma, go for replace, make sure nothing is typed and give replace all. And what happens is that all the values is been converted from a text to a number and the condition is in false. Also it has given for addition to be accommodated or calculated for this active cell D. This is how we can convert with use of these 6 different types of conversion of text to column. This concludes the video for how to convert a text to a numbers by using different methods explained. Hope you like my videos. Signing off, Deepak Jacob Thomas.